Lately, aircraft leasing has become a possible solution for airlines facing deficits. For example, Li Ka-shing's Cheongkong Holdings Limited is one of 3 companies exploring bids for a Dublin-based aircraft company called Avalon. The other 2 companies include one from Japan and one from Australia. Avalon's services include aircraft leasing and lease management services to airlines and aircraft investors. And this is not the first time a Chinese company has attempted to invest in an aircraft leasing company. As a result, many are starting to pay more attention to this industry. Although there is no official data, figures from the Chinese airline industry provide some insight into the scale of China's aircraft leasing industry. The Civil Aviation Administration of China's statistics show that in 2013, 69% of airplanes in service in China were leased. And the Industry Research Institute in Tianjin predicts the scale of China's aircraft leasing industry to reach more than $130 billion. National Business Daily wrote an article discussing this industry. They found that the aircraft leasing industry is fairly new in China. Up until 2007, foreign aircraft leasing companies have maintained a monopoly over this market. However, after Chinese banking regulations relaxed control over the financial leasing industry, Chinese companies entered the market. Ascend Aviation Consultancy provides statistics about China's rapidly growing aircraft leasers. Between 2007 and 2013, Chinese aircraft leasers' market shares increased from only about 9% to almost 38%. The consultancy further predicts that the market share for domestic aircraft leasers will be 55% by 2015. ICBC's aircraft leasing sector claims that currently 80% of new planes leased came from domestic leasers. And China is not the only country in the world to see success in this industry. A new airplane usually costs tens of millions of dollars. For example, Airbus's new A32neo, or new engine option, costs over $90 million. Directly buying this type of plane is obviously a financial burden, especially for budget airlines who have little cash flow. So in order to maintain enough cash flow for daily operations, leasing aircrafts is a viable option. Rent fees for a leased aircraft depend on many complex factors. However, National Business Daily reveals that the monthly rent of an aircraft in China is currently anywhere from less than 1% to 1.5% of the aircraft's original price. This means that the monthly rent for an A320neo could be around $680,000. This significantly decreases the financial burden placed on airlines. But don't go away, because up next in Money Matters, we'll discuss some advantages and obstacles that lay ahead for China's aircraft leasing industry.